Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best Evinrude Primer Solenoid is probably one of the most crucial yet often overlooked components in ensuring your outboard motor starts reliably and runs smoothly, especially in challenging conditions where a strong initial fuel delivery is paramount for ignition. Number 5. MOTOALL Primer Solenoid Service Valve Kit 18 to 7044. Introducing the MOTOALL Primer Solenoid Service Maintenance Valve Kit. This is a direct replacement for your Johnson Evinrude outboard motor. Designed for a hassle-free experience, this kit is easy to remove and replace. Get your motor running smoothly again in no time. Specifically engineered for two-stroke Johnson Evinrude outboard motors. Ensure optimal performance with this essential maintenance part. This service maintenance valve kit is compatible with part numbers 18 to 7044 and 175158. Verify your existing part for a perfect fit. Before ordering, please confirm your motor's model and serial numbers. Knowing your motor's model year is crucial for correct selection. What we like. This option is a new aftermarket part designed for easy replacement. If you're looking for a straightforward swap for your specific Johnson Evinrude model, this is a great choice. It's ideal for DIYers who want a simple and effective solution. What people say. The solenoid is a direct replacement for the original part. It functions exactly as the original solenoid did, ensuring proper fuel delivery to the engine. Installation was straightforward and took only a few minutes. Number 4. Caltric Fuel Primer Choke Solenoid for Johnson Evinrude OMC. Ensure your engine gets the fuel it needs with this high-quality fuel primer choke solenoid. It's designed for optimal performance and reliability. This part is a direct replacement for several OEM numbers, making installation straightforward. It's compatible with a wide range of Johnson and Evinrude engines. Designed for Johnson Evinrude models from 9.9 to 300 HP and various OMC applications. It covers engine years from 1980 to 2005 for most compatible models. To ensure a perfect fit, we recommend comparing the product image to your existing unit. This helps guarantee you receive the correct part for your needs. Find a vast array of aftermarket parts for powersports and mowers in the Caltric Amazon store. We offer a comprehensive selection for all your needs. What we like. This solenoid offers compatibility with a wide range of Johnson Evinrude and OMC engines, covering many horsepower options. If you have a slightly older motor or are unsure of the exact OEM part number, its broad application makes it a versatile pick. It's perfect for mechanics or boat owners with varied engine types. What people say. The solenoid is a direct replacement for the original. It fit perfectly and the engine started right up after installation. Number 3. Caltric Fuel Primer Choke Solenoid for Evinrude Johnson OMC. Ensure your engine gets the fuel it needs with this high-quality primer choke solenoid. It's designed for consistent performance and easy starting. This part is compatible with a wide range of Evinrude, Johnson, and OMC marine engines. It fits models from 120 to 300 horsepower. Easily replace your old or faulty solenoid with this direct fit component. It's built to meet or exceed original equipment specifications. Crafted with durable materials, this solenoid is built to withstand harsh marine environments. You can count on its longevity and reliability. Your order includes one Caltric Fuel Primer Choke solenoid, ready for installation. Get your boat back on the water with confidence. This solenoid is suitable for models manufactured between 1993 and 2001. It's a perfect match for these specific engine years. What we like. This solenoid is tailored for specific Evinrude Johnson OMC marine models from 1993 to 2001. If your outboard falls within this particular year range and you need a direct fit for your OMC marine engine, this is the one to consider. It ensures precise compatibility for those specific applications. What people say. The solenoid is a direct replacement and works perfectly. Easy to install and functions as expected. The product arrived quickly and was exactly what I needed. Number 2. Caltric Fuel Primer Choke Solenoid for OMC Johnson Evinrude. Ensure your engine runs smoothly with this high-quality fuel primer choke solenoid. It's designed for optimal performance and longevity. This part is compatible with a wide range of OMC, Johnson, and Evinrude engines, covering many horsepower options and model years from 1984 to 2005. This is a direct replacement for your old or faulty solenoid. It matches original specifications for a seamless installation. Cross-reference with part numbers like 500, 7356, 437233, and 397909 to confirm it's the right fit for your needs. With dimensions of 67mm x 71mm x 38.5mm, it's built to fit precisely where you need it. We recommend comparing the provided image with your existing unit to ensure a perfect match before ordering. What we like. This unit is particularly well suited for Evinrude and Johnson 50 HP engines from 1984 to 2005, and also covers other specific HP ranges. If you own a 50 HP model or need to match exact part numbers and dimensions, this provides a reliable solution. It's a good option for those who prioritize precise fitment for their mid-range horsepower engines. What people say. The solenoid is a direct replacement and works perfectly for the Evinrude outboard. Installation was straightforward, and the primer solenoid functions as expected, delivering fuel to the engine efficiently. This part is essential for the proper operation of the fuel system, ensuring the engine gets the right amount of fuel during priming. Number 1. OMC Johnson Evinrude Fuel Primer Choke Solenoid. Ensure your engine starts smoothly with this essential fuel primer choke solenoid. It's designed for optimal performance and reliability. This part is a perfect fit for a wide range of Johnson and Evinrude engines, from 9.9 to 300 horsepower. It covers models from 1980 to 2005. It also seamlessly integrates with OMC engines, including the Quiet Rider series, 90 to 115 HP, 1991 to 1993, and various 1.6L, 4.0L models, 1982 to 1990. Replaces several part numbers, including 500, 7356, 582, 8665, and 397909, ensuring a straightforward replacement process. Your purchase includes one high-quality fuel primer choke solenoid. Get your engine running like new again with this essential component. What we like. This solenoid boasts the broadest compatibility, fitting Johnson Evinrude engines from 9.9 to 300 HP and specific OMC models. If you're looking for a universal solution that covers a vast range of applications and replaces numerous OEM part numbers, this is an excellent value. It's ideal for marine repair shops or owners with multiple boats of varying engine sizes. What people say. It was a direct fit and works perfectly. The solenoid was an exact replacement for the original and functions as expected. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.